Over the summer, EdTech and the library teamed up to create instructional materials you can choose to import into your courses. Currently, there are 2 modules developed for students. The first module is Technology at NCF, which contains instructions for NCF students on technology resources and assistance. The second module, Welcome to the Jane Bancroft Library, provides information on how to access databases, search for books, and schedule time with librarians. The tutorial includes instructional videos to guide students through the process of accessing all the library resources. The course also contains educational technology resources you may find helpful, such as Turnitin guides, technology equipment available for checkout, and also accessibility content creation guides. If you would like to be added to the course, please let me know. To import any of the content into one of your courses, you want to go to your course settings and then choose Import Course Content. From the content type, you want to choose Copy a Canvas course. I'm going to search for the Research and Technology Resources course. And rather than bringing the entire content in, I just want select specific content selected. I'm going to select Import, and now you'll see out underneath Current Jobs, out to the right, there is a blue Select Content button. I can then choose to import only specific modules. I'm going to do the 2 at the top for students, and then select Content. I can see my status has now been completed. If I go back to my home page, I will be able to see the modules that I imported. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.